Kaunti ya Kiambu ni imwe ya iria cimurikitwo na njira nene thutha wa ithabu ria arwaru guthie na mbere ona kwambatira na gukinyeria umuthi andu 41 magikirwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu wa COVID-19 kaunti-ini ino no Wagagu kiambatira makiria gicigo-ini kia umbunge kia Juja kurumirira gikuo kia mundurume umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 51 kuma gicagi-ini kia Maraba uria gikuo giake kirakuruhanio na murimu wa COVID-19.
Alitangazwa jana mmoja kutoka Kiambu na atazikwa kesho, na atazikwa kwao ni Murang'a, kwa hivyo atazikwa Murang'a. Alikufia Thika Level 5 Hospital.
Murwaru uyu uria kiumo giake ni kaunti ya Murang'a ni umwe wa atatu aria minista wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi Mutahi kagwaranireire muthenya wa ira gukorwo makuite kuumana na murimu uyu. Murimu uria nginyagia umuthi uragite andu matanyihire 62 guothe bururi-ini. Kwa ihinda riri thirikari iri mihango-ini mihiu ya gwethana na aria mangikorwo makuruhanite na mundurume uyu na kuria riu maabitha ugima wa muingi hamwe na macibo na nini ao mari gibarua-ini giki.
Contact tracing inaendelea, tuko na daktari hapa, he is part of this committee. Na already we have that Juja COVID-19 rescue team. So they were dispatched yesterday na hiyo contact tracing bado inaendelea.
We are aware that we have confirmed cases of around 4, and from the day we got the first case, we started contact tracing. Maya
magithiaga na mbere munini wa county commissioner mwena wa Juja ni augite ni marethana na namba cia thimu cia umwe wa aria manireirwo gukorwo ari murwaru COVID-19 mwena wa Juja farm ona gutuika ni onanite uritu wa kugia na umenyo uyu na uguo uritu wa gwethana na aria mangikorwo mahutanitie nake.
We are sealing on the exact family where it is so that we can fast track on the contacts that person might have had. We need to locate using our other avenues of location. So we want to know the contact people with that person. That's our first case to be reported.
Gicigo-ini kia umbunge kia Ruiru kiri na andu 14 aria mari na murimu wa COVID-19 na angi 92 ni marikitie guthimwo.
We have 150 contacts that we have been tracing. Basically, we have managed to test 92 people. The virus is real. Ruiru is populous. Talk about Ruiru market, Githurai market. We should adhere to Minister of Health.
Riu muingi mwena uyu kiurio guthie na mbere na kurumirira mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni thirikari na niguo kwirigiriria kuumana na murimu uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.